2020 is not good, it's a bad year, people are dying. Some people will say, let's welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, baby Osula, in the building. Welcome to another day vlog. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are good. Are you enjoying this quarantine? I know many people are not enjoying it too, because for me, I'm not enjoying it. But I hope you guys are okay. You guys are safe. You guys are at home. You guys are indoor. So just keep on praying, keep on pushing. So on today's video, I want to quickly rush and say something that people did not understand. People have been saying in this period of quarantine. And let me just quickly tell you guys, if you know you have been watching my video, you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Show some love. Please just try and subscribe on the notification bell. If I post a video, you'll be the first to see the video. Please guys, just try and subscribe. I'm begging you guys, I'm not using force. Please, you guys should just subscribe. It's your humble favorite baby girl, baby Osula. So on today's video, I want to quickly rush and say something people did not understand about this period of quarantine. People have been saying, hey, this year is not good. For me, this year is good though, because we are in the 4th month now. So the year is not finished yet. So we have many, guys, we are still pushing. You don't understand. We have, I think, about how many months remaining from this year. So some people have already give up that this year is not good. People have been dying. We should just cross over to 2021, or we should go back to 2019. Yo, we die here, we die here. We'll not go anywhere. So we should not give up on life easily that because this year 2020 is not good, we should just cross over to 2021. We should shout happy new year. No, in this year, this same year, this same period of quarantine, people have been giving birth. My phone, my Facebook is full of congratulations. Every day. If I put my Facebook, maybe I will see like 20 people just put to bed every day. And some people that have been giving some people document, people are waiting for their document in this same period of pandemic. They give them their document. So why are we giving up on life for that? This year 2020 is not good. For me, this year 2020 is good though, because I have long way. The thing I wish myself in this 2020, till I achieve it, will not go to 2021. No. We just need to be patient, and we should not give up on life. We should keep on praying, keep on pushing. The reason why I like this period of quarantine is that it's made for the rich and the poor. Providing everybody are one in this period of pandemic. The pandemic did not know because I'm rich, the pandemic will not come close to me or will not come close to my household. But everybody in this period of pandemic, we are equal. We are generally equal. You don't understand? So you guys should not give up on life. Keep on praying. It's not when you are in problem you will pray. No, even if you are not in problem, even if the quarantine is not in your house, it's not in your family's house, it's not in your household, just keep on praying. Keep on praying. We should not give up on life easily that day because of this quarantine. This life don't tire me. For me, never tire me, because what I want to achieve this year, I never have achieved at all. So I just need to pray. God go do, and everything happen for a reason. You don't understand. Some people in this period of pandemic now, maybe they have been trying to conceive. Fruit of the baby did not come. The fruit of the womb did not locate them. But some people in this period of same pandemic, fruit of the womb come from nowhere. Maybe your husband have not been sleeping home, but in this period of pandemic, your husband have been sleeping home. He can do so the baby will come. You don't understand. And this same period of pandemic, maybe you have your family, they are not there. The family is scattered, is not good. People have been quarreling, doing sorts of things. But in this period of pandemic, you guys will come together, happy family and everything. You know more about your family. Stay with your family at home, do things with your family. So that is it now. Everything happens for a reason. Maybe then this pandemic just happens for we to know the people that love us and people that will not love. And this same period of pandemic, you will know this same period of pandemic, you will know your enemy and your friend. You will see some people, they will not even call you. They will not call you. But after this pandemic, now they will start calling you, asking for money. Sister, help me, brother, help me. When the period of pandemic, nobody call you, nobody want to check on you, nobody even know if you are alive or if you are dead. Nobody care to know. But after the pandemic, now they'll start calling you, say, babe, nobody have ever called me that, hey, I don't want to check on me. No friends. It's only few of my family members have called me to check on me, but it's not fair. Some people will just sit down and talk. They will not say, okay, let me just check on this person. But when the time there is no pandemic, they have been calling me or asking me for 50 euro, 5 euro. If you did not give them, now they will not chat with you again. They will not even care to check on you. But now this period is the time that we know our friend, our enemy, who is that the people that is scared, that has you in their mind. You don't understand. So we should keep on praying. We should not give up on life. So that is the end of this video. Please try and subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family. So in this video, if you know you like the thing I said, drop your comment below. If you know you want to contribute, drop your comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, subscribe, please. I'm begging you, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.